Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for clicking this video. So today we are going for another activity and this activity, my students, you all come with me, come and sit with me, and there is a topic on which you are to discuss. Am I right? So this is going to be a very funny activity, funny and entertaining, and you'll get an opportunity to sit with me. So if you allow, we should start. So please welcome Ananya. Hello Ananya,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm good.
So are you ready with your topic?
Yes, sir.
And as we have already discussed over the topic is doing business for job. What is good? So what do you think about this topic?
According to me, business is better than job.
What do you think that why business is better?
Business is good because you need only your own schedule and less traveling. And if you do any job, you will travel more and get a fixed salary. If you invest more time in your business, you will get more salary, more profit.
But don't you think that business involves some hectic schedule that all over the time you need to busy yourself?
No, sir, I don't think because a business needs strategic planning for doing any great business. And if your planning is good, you can hire a person. It is also good for economic growth.
Okay, but as we see in India, there are very less people who do business. What do you think? Why it happens?
It depends their own opinions because people only study for jobs.
Okay. And suppose if you get an opportunity for doing some business, what business would you prefer?
It depends on the area
Okay.
and what person need on that area. What is
It is up to you. What business would you prefer?
I will do a general store.
General store. General store means confectionery or some ration shop like that, or departmental store.
Departmental store.
Do you like departmental store?
Yes, sir.
Means where you go and find each and everything at one shop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your opinion.
Thank you, sir.
So in the next, I would like to call Mr. Aditya Prabhakar. So please welcome Aditya Prabhakar. Hello Aditya,
Hello.
how are you?
Fine, sir, and you?
And I'm also very great. This Sunday, you are spending here
Yes.
for having some conversation with me.
Yes.
So what do you feel that should we involve Sunday also as a total holiday or some activity based holiday?
So, in my point, this is not age of enjoying holiday.
Okay.
So, work every time.
Is if you have a free time, so you don't like.
No, if you have free time, so consume it on right place, take a nap.
Okay.
But not whole day enjoy.
Is there must be something good, very good in our leisure time also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Okay, Aditya, would you tell us that what would you prefer if you have both two options, business or job?
Sir, firstly, I want to tell there is a business topic. Both things are very crucial,
Okay.
but I prefer job because if I do a job, so I am a better planning, and I prefer job because there is a consistency and there is a time limit.
Yeah.
So I prefer job.
Okay, in job, what do you like most?
Sir, I like most government job because nowadays I prepare for a government job, civil line. So that's why I prefer job.
But don't you think that in a job, if you do a job, you are very constructed. That means there is a fixed timing you'll come and go, and you are to do your whole work under someone. But in business, there is a freedom of doing anything.
But sir, if you are doing a business, you have already in trust.
Okay.
You have not limited time. You have you have so much time, and you if you have more risk, more tasks to complete, so you involve all your time.
But have you ever thought wherever you go for doing business, doing job, the company is also doing business?
Yes, this is a very important topic. But in this topic, as you see, company also doing business. But sir, some ones are not only for business. They only open our company and open our studying area for a job. For this reason, that's why he grew up on higher level, not for its reason of business.
Okay. And suppose if an opportunity given to you to do job, which job would you prefer? That means, as you have said, you are preparing for civil
Yes.
service, and suppose you are not being getting selected in civil services. So what would you do next?
Then I start our own business.
Till the ultimate goal is doing business.
Yes.
So in this perspective, business is good.
Yes.
But you have chosen that job is
Then
good.
because, I am always choose job. If I am not selected in any civil job, then I start.
Then you will start your own business. Okay. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you, sir.
Our next participant is Sara Aziz. Hello, Sara.
Hello, sir.
Welcome back to Leo Academy.
Thank you, sir.
Why are you laughing? Yeah, we know you are a regular student, and even today you came so early
Yes.
than everyone. Right. Tell me one thing. Like, as you are coming here regularly, and you have come up with a very good English. What do you think that why English is an important language?
Because by learning English, you may learn about interaction with people. You may deny your hesitation between you, and even sometimes speaking with everyone, maybe there is English more suitable for speaking with
People.
people.
Okay. And as the topic is going on, that business versus job, what do you think? What is good?
In my opinion, job are more better than business.
Okay.
Because sometimes a person, elder brother, the family pressure on them, and after passing the inter and graduation, they have to do some any job for their family to earn money. That's why jobs are more important for them.
But at the country like India, where our current government has initiated Made in India program, and the government is also promoting doing business. What do you think about this?
If everyone doing business, who will do the job in that business? Sometimes, if there any need for the money, then you can do a job. And if there is no time limitation on you, and if you have time, if you have patience for your work, then you can open your business and start your startup for more progress.
And don't you think that when you go for doing a job, you are very under pressure? And your bosses, your manager always pressurize you to do something, to do that thing. Even they also involve weekends, holidays as well. In business, you are totally free.
But the pressure of job is more likely than the business, because all the things, little and very big problem are on you. And doing business is not suitable for women, especially because women have no time for after graduation. They have to do something that prove themselves after their graduation, and business is not more suitable for them, because it's more taking time. That's why.
Okay, let me take this topic, something deeper. In business, there is no restriction of earning money.
Yeah.
But in job, there is a restriction of earning money. At a some level, you earn, your earning becomes static. But in business, your earning is dynamic, always increasing. What do you think of this?
That's matter on the patience. What you have got to be. If you have patience for your work, for your business, if you're giving your time on your business, you will get the demand. If you will get the perfect.
You'll get the perfect platform. But what about job? As I have said, that if you are doing the job, your salary is restricted. You earn a little amount, but in business, you can earn a lot of amount. What do you think about this? Even after you are ready for doing job, just because it is comfortable, it is easy.
It's my need is on the job earn money. If I and my
Means if your need is fulfilled by doing job, that it is okay for you. Okay. Thanks for being here. Thank you.
Decide to do some job, like I want to do civil services, so I have my own plan and my own goals that I achieve, that it is give us satisfaction. With business, you achieve something, you think that you achieve more thing. So actually spending my time ideally, I think, is the great thing, and right now I'm doing. So this is the right answer I can give it to, because I have no work to do. I'm just ideally, or no, I think I'm spending my time in reading books, watching movies, web series, and